Transform your videos from static to stunning with dynamic motion graphics, all made right inside Capcut. Ever wanted to add those eye-catching animated elements to your videos, but thought it was too complicated? Well, get ready, because today we're unlocking the power of Capcut's motion graphics capabilities. We'll be animating text, shapes, and images to make your content pop. And the best part, you don't need any fancy, expensive software. Let's dive in. First up, let's bring some text to life. Select the text tool from your toolbar, type in your desired words, and position them on your video now. Tap on your text layer in the timeline. See these little diamond icons on either side of your text clip. These are your keyframes, the magic behind motion. To make your text slide in, place the playhead at the very beginning of your text clip, and tap the diamond icon to add your first keyframe. This marks the starting point now. Move the text off screen where you want it to begin next. Advance the playhead to the end of your text clip, and the diamond icon will automatically add a second keyframe here. Drag your text to its final visible position on the screen. For even more dynamic movement, you can explore Capcut's built-in animations with your text layer selected. Go to the Animation tab. You'll find a variety of in, out, and loop animations. Choose one that fits your style, like a fade in or slide up, and watch your text come alive instantly. You can also adjust the duration of these animations using the slider. Now let's animate some shapes. Go to your stickers or overlay section and choose a simple shape, or even import your own graphic. Place it on your timeline and select it just like with text. You can use keyframes here. To make our shape grow or shrink, we'll use scaling. Place a keyframe at the start. Then with the shape selected, use the scale handles to make it smaller. Move the playhead further down the timeline. Add another keyframe, and then scale the shape up. Capcut smoothly interpolates the movement between these points. And applying motion to images is just as straightforward. Import your image, place it on the timeline, and select it. Use keyframes to create pans, zooms, or even subtle movements. Simply position your image where you want it to start. Add a keyframe, move the playhead, and then move or resize your image to where you want it to end. Experiment with different keyframe timings to create unique reveals. With these simple techniques, you can create professional-looking motion graphics that will elevate your video projects. So go ahead, play with text animations, bring shapes to life, and add dynamic movement to your images. In Capcut, your viewers will thank you for it.